AI videos like me is changing the lives of people by making them thousands of dollars monthly here on YouTube. And guess what? If you watch this video till the end, you will be able to generate your image and animate 100% freely so that you can start earning big. I got a lot of comments from you guys in the last video, so this is a more detailed and simple video than the last one. No watermark, no subscription. So without further ado, my loves, let's dive right into it. Guys, so the first thing we need to do is come to our Google Chrome browser page and type on ChatGPT. So remember to use the Chrome browser version so that you can get the most accurate results. If you have the app on your phone, you can also use it, but the Chrome version is actually better. Next thing you want to do now is to copy this prompt on your screen. I don't have time to start typing it, so I had to leave it here for you guys to copy it and add your own unique touch. Once you have done this, you need to go ahead and tell ChatGPT to modify your prompt before generating it in 16:9. So now, why are we generating in 16:9? Because we are using it for our YouTube channel and it is a long form video. So ChatGPT has gone ahead to modify our prompt, and this is the modified prompt. I'm not going to read it out. Please screenshot this. I want to make this video as short as possible and as well detailed as possible. So like I said, screenshot this and add your own touch to it. So ChatGPT has asked us, would you like me to generate the image now in that 16:9 aspect ratio? We are going to tell ChatGPT, yes, please generate. Now please remember that while your image is generating, you have to remain here on the browser page of where your image is generating. So guys, our image is ready, and this is what we were able to generate with that prompt. So I am not fully satisfied with this, and then I went ahead to use the method that I taught you in my last video. This method, if you remember, we use our picture, our own picture. So you remember how I taught you that you click on this plus button here, and then you tap on add photos and files, and then you go to photo library and choose your most preferred picture. So we have already picked our most preferred picture, and we also added a text, which is that ChatGPT should go ahead and help us turn this our own picture into a Pixar style animation. So this is the prompt. You can also go back and watch the last video I made where I did a detailed tutorial on how to go about this, and you can as well screenshot this prompt and use it. So next, ChatGPT has modified our prompt for us. Guys, now take a look at our picture. It is ready. So which would you prefer? Let's go to our image gallery to view them both. So guys, we have this image, the one we generated without our own picture, and then we also have this one that I just generated now with my personal picture, and I went ahead to modify the same prompt and I generated this one and this one, which we are going to be using for the purpose of this video. So now that our pictures are ready, the next thing we want to do is to go into CapCut, and you are going to see the reason why you need to go into CapCut. Please do not skip this part for anything, because we don't want watermark in our videos. So we are going to go right into CapCut. When you get to CapCut, you tap on new project and go and tap on the photos. You go to photos and tap on the pictures you would like to use for the purpose of this video. So now when you get to pictures, you come right here where you see aspect ratio and tap on aspect ratio. You know that the usual aspect ratio for YouTube is 16:9, but we are going to change the aspect ratio for this picture because we do not want watermark on our image. So we are going to use the 1:1. When you tap on 1:1, you tap on done and go ahead and move your picture up there. The reason why we are doing this is because the watermark is going to stay below here, and we would be able to crop it at the finished product of our image that we are going to generate into a video. Please, if there is something you do not understand, try and call my attention to it in the comment section. Once you are done with that, you delete the blank space and go ahead and save this in the highest possible resolution. It doesn't take time to save. You see, immediately our picture has saved. So we are going to repeat the same process for the other pictures we are going to use. Next thing we are going to do right now is to go to where we would animate our image. For that, we are using Digen AI, remember. So in Digen AI, once you type on Digen AI on Chrome, it's going to bring out this, and as you can see, we have 390 credits. So if you remember, I told you that every day Digen AI, if you are using the Chrome version, if you are using this version, you will get 150 to 200 credits every day. But if you download the app, you will get 300 credits every day, and each video you will generate will cost you 20 units, 20 credits. So for you to generate your video, you need 20 credits. So now you tap on create. It's going to bring you onto this page, and if you remember, I told you guys in my last video that where you see talk, this is where you make your image or your video talk. But we are not going to be making our video talk in Digen AI. So but just come on here and tap on Gina or Aurora. Just use the voice, whichever one you want to use. This is not so much important. So what is important is the prompt. Upload the picture we want to use. So we are going to go to our photo library now, impute or upload the image that will change the aspect ratio in CapCut. Don't use the one you downloaded from ChatGPT. Go and pick the one you used on CapCut. So I didn't remember to screenshot the image, because you cannot generate, like, you cannot upload a video, it has to be a picture. So here I am, I just screenshotted my image right now. So when you come back to Digen AI, you tap on photo library, photos, and then you see the image you just screenshotted. So now as you can see, the aspect ratio is there. You don't need to change that, but if you want to change your aspect ratio, you just tap on this box right here, and it's going to bring other options, but we don't need this. So we are not going to crop our image, we are just going to go back, guys. So the next thing you want to do for your prompts, you just copy and paste, make my character talk, and make natural realistic gestures. Remember, we want to make this as realistic as possible. So for this, we can only create for 5 seconds and in 720p. That is using Digen AI. This is very straightforward and simple. So you go ahead and tap on generate video. I would advise you to generate your video at midnight because it is faster. Once I try to do this during the day, it takes about 7 to 8 minutes. Why? Because a lot of people are using it at the same time. But at midnight, it is just a few people on the application, and it will get the job done for you faster. As you can see, 20 units has been deducted, and now this is the reason why we went to change our aspect ratio to 1:1. Now that we have been able to generate our video and we can see the watermark down below here, the next thing we need to do is to go to the next app, and we are using Dreamface for this. So if you want to generate another video, you can still do that on the Digen AI, but I'm done with that face now, and now we are going to use Dreamface to add audio to our video. Yes, this is where we are going to impute the sound, the voice, and everything. So once you get to Dreamface, the first thing you need to tap on is talk or sing. So when you get to talk or sing, you tap on this plus button and go ahead to tap on your image or your video that you just generated. As you can see, Digen AI will only generate a 5-second video for you. It will only animate your video for you for 5 seconds. It is dream face that will make it 30 seconds. So somebody asked me that how long can the video be. It is 30 seconds max. You can only generate a 30 seconds video using dream face at once. So if you want to create a 2-minute video, you have to generate that video 4 times. That is 30 seconds times 4. It will give you a 2-minute video. It doesn't take time at all. So now we want to make it talk. So to make our video talk, I have already recorded my voice of what I want my image to say. So I'm just going to choose a voice. I'm using my original voice. I don't want to use an AI
Hello,
voice.
welcome to Dreamface.
So I'll use my voice, confirm, because I already have an original audio that I want to use. So now to import our audio, you tap on want avatar to say or sing and tap on import from files or from album, and this is the one we are using. So you tap on the audio you want to use, which is the sound you have already created. And as you can see, if you want to use the pro version, you can go as far as creating a video of 180 seconds. But please, when you have the free version, why do you want to pay money for it? And like I said at the beginning of this video, everything I am doing in this video is 100% free. As you guys can see, I am not here to come and tell you something is free when it is not free. No, I won't do that. So now we have imported our audio. You tap on confirm and allow it to generate. It's going to take a while, but it will not take long at all. In less than 1 minute, your video will be ready. Guys, so the next phase now we are at is the finishing of our video. Go into CapCut, you know that already, and we come on new project. So once you tap on new project, you are going to tap on the videos that you have successfully animated. So you add both of them into your project. So now, do you guys see the reason why you need to change your aspect ratio? Now take a look at these watermarks. You see that they are below. We are going to crop them out like right now. So but before we go ahead and crop them out, we need to be sure that these are the videos we want to edit. So like I said, you add all your clips together into one here in CapCut. So first things first, let's go ahead and increase the volume. I got a lot of comment audio, so you increase the volume for everything. We want to have a very clear sound. AI videos like, now that we've increased the audio, we are going to make sure that the both clips are well arranged. So we just arrange the both clips, and then we are also going to ensure that we increase the sharpness. So what you need to do is just to go to adjust. When you get to adjust, you tap on sharpen. So sharpen your image, bring it to 100, because these platforms have reduced the quality of the image we turn into video. So you bring it into 100, you click on apply to all so that all your clips will be sharpened. So you can also work on the contrast, just to make sure you have something clear, but be careful not to do too much. Do you understand? So we just want it to be very sharp and very clear. So I think this is fine, if you ask me. As you can see, there's a difference already, so I think we are good. Remember to always apply to all your clips. So this is what our clips is looking like right now. So the next thing we need to do is to go to our aspect ratio. So you tap on aspect ratio, and then you tap on 16:9. That is what we need for YouTube. So 16:9, you tap on done, and also adjust your image or your video. Adjust it to make sure it is in the center, it is in the right position. So don't adjust too much, just be sure to do something reasonable. So once you are done with this, you need to go to the background and just put a blur background or something. You can use image. So let's use image, and I use the image for let's use this one. Let's see. Okay, Do you guys see that it has blended into each other now? So you are going to go to the next clip to be sure that these two clips are aligned with each other. So you do the same for the two clips. Next thing we need to do right now, or the next thing I want to do, I like to do this personally for myself for my video, is to change the voice. Not change totally, just enhance the voice. So I'm just going to go to audio effects, and because I don't want the voice to sound like me, like my real voice, I'm just going to change the audio effect to this sweet one. Now listen to what it sounds like.
AI videos like me is changing the lives of people by making them thousands of dollars monthly here on YouTube.
Did you guys hear that? So that is what I will be using for all the voices in this video. So you check on the next clip. If you have 5 clips, you do the same thing. This is it right now, guys. Our video is ready. You can use this for your folktale channel. I got a lot of questions on my last video. Oh, can this work for folktale channel? Yes, it can work for folktale channel. It can. I am telling you, it can. So make use of these free tools now that they are still free, because you know, once people get to know about these things, they won't be so free anymore. So please do fast, run, don't walk, run now and make use of these free tools. If there's anything you don't understand, do well to leave a message for me. I am definitely going to answer you, or I'm going to respond to your comments. So now I'm thinking of doing something to this video. I think I want to add captions to it, so let's go ahead and add captions. Guys, this is what we have, and yeah, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. If you are looking to start your folktale channel, then this is one of the best platforms for you. Anyway, to say thank you to Pemi Elevate, all you need to do is to like this video and subscribe to our channel, because she's going to be bringing lots and lots of value to you. Bye guys, and I hope you love this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.